Which one you want to use?
Well, I'll take the S&S one. You got one around here?
Maybe. Supposed to. Okay, what else do we got? We got the...
We're not going to put the oil pump on.
we're going to plug this up.
Yeah.
Because you're going to be not running a primary.
All right.
And then we got to put the pump on it so that we can do all that. But you got the pump, so we can't do
Yeah.
anything
This,
past
I think
that.
we're just about done right
So
now.
we just need to get that done. So anyway, we double washed it up here. We stuck a nut here. The lifter block just barely goes into here. It's a real tight squeeze. And you wiped it down a little bit everywhere else.
Yeah.
So you got nuts all around here.
Yep.
We're assuming it turned over. I didn't check it, did you?
Yeah, I did. Spinning away.
Shaft's not wobbling back and forth?
No.
So,
It's all good stuff.
okay, so we'll worry about the plugs here in a little bit. For now,
Yep.
we gotta get this piece here on. Now that got sanded and polished and buffed for you.
Oh, yeah.
Because we'd like a nice smooth surface to not tear up the new seal. You can see the little bit of the old line that was in there. And a couple of spots of corrosion as they go around.
Yep.
It appears that James is no longer giving us the good seal with the wiper things in there.
More assembly lube.
So you're getting a crappy seal now.
Now, we've discussed this numerous times. We'll discuss it again. Tatro's going to put the bearing in,
Put the seal in correctly.
the seal in correctly, because, oh, and with his fancy dancy
I got my special,
aftermarket.
not a Jim's product. So that goes in.
Mm-hmm.
Appears to be in.
The louder noise it makes, the fresher it is.
So there you go. Factory installed backwards from Harley. Correctly for everybody else in the world.
Yep.
Sealer on the outside to wipe off.
Mm.
That goes all the way in. What's that crappy wash you were trying to get me to use earlier?
Is that it? Oh, look at that.
Goes right there, but this goes on the outside of the alternator, not on the inside.
Okay.
That's where that one goes.
All right.
So now you know.
I think we're going to call it evening now.
You might, but I'm not.
What? What are we doing next?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to stick around.
You can do whatever you want. I don't care.
I know you don't care.
Okay, now this is the one that came out of the old motor.
All right.
So we know it's going to be perfect.
Of course.
Now we're not going to check the cam fitment. We're just checking to see the end play. Now we got to make sure that it clears up in there.
All right.
And you can see how close it is in there.
Wow, that's pretty close.
Well, you can't see with a camera.
Oh.
See, the lobe is right there.
Yeah.
Really close. So you come up to where it belongs, you get a little more, see?
Mm.
But it's close. But it clears, so it's all right.
Okay.
It's not my bike, so if it hits, it's your fault.
Hey,
Okay, what are we using for a breather?
my breather, right there.
Don't do anything about that yet, either.
Where?
Where's the
So,
breather?
I thought it was right here. It's right there.
It's right over here.
Right there.
Okay, so this one here is the large surface, which should be the one that works with this late style gear. That's our in play. Where's your gasket?
It's with the, no, it's in there.
It's with the brand new gasket set.
Well, it is.
We're not going to use that piece of crap gasket, so we have real gaskets to use. Ooh, we even got generator ones in there. It's almost like there's a real Harley in this box.
Really?
We're not
Yeah.
using that one though. That's not the right one for your bike.
That's an extra one he gets to use on somebody else's bike.
I bet you that would fit a 49 panhead.
Oh, we got that one coming up next.
So 49 pan and 66 shovel are the same thing. Even though they have that as a 70 gasket set, see, 70. It actually fits all the way to 66 because it's got the gasket in there. Imagine how that works, huh?
I can't imagine.
Okay.
There's a cam cover over there.
We have a cam cover?
Right there.
Ooh. this shiny thing here?
That shiny thing.
Did you clean it? No.
Well, we just got it out of the damn box.
Yeah, I know. It's perfectly clean out of the box. Why would they make it dirty, right? You are going to clean this, aren't you?
Yes, I will.
Okay,
I promise. I will clean it.
Okay, well, the first thing, well, I can't check the pinion shaft because now we have that on there. Did you check it?
I thought it did.
You were playing with it, but did you check it?
Yeah, I thought it did. Yeah, it fit.
It fit?
It's tight. Whoa. Does not go all the way down?
It's not that tight. It ain't that tight. It's tighter than yours, but it's not tight. It's a long way from being tight.
Damn.
And it's not even close to being tight.
What the hell you do there then?
It's just an aftermarket part. It's made to fit applications like this. It didn't quite go on like
Damn,
supposed
looks
to.
good.
Now it's down all the way through.
I have to admit, I didn't expect to. That is end play.
It appears to have adequate in play.
End play is good.
So you can take 5 out or you can leave it.
No, it's good.
I'm good with it. So I don't need to put the screws in there because they're already in there.
Right.
Now the cam's sliding back and forth means it's not too tight on the shaft and the alignment's good.
Right.
So you can put your finger in there, you should be able to rotate it, but in this case I can't. So the breather is sticking it or something. So where's our breather in play? Might not have any breather in play in there.
How are you going to find that out?
I have to pull the cam cover back off and rotate it. Because some dumbass did not assemble it correctly.
That would be you?
You were watching me, so it must be your fault.
No, it's my fault. I'll take the blame for this. It's my engine, I'll take the blame. Hey, you didn't do this right. We didn't do this right. It's too thick.
So we rotate the breather valve around to where the screen's where you can get to it. Because that's the only way you can check in play, you have to slide it.
Really?
So I'm assuming it's probably lacking in play.
Tap it together. Hey, don't mess my chrome up.
Wood chrome. Still have in play on that.
Yep. Doesn't appear
Appears
to
to be a little snug, Fred.
No, it doesn't seem to be much end play on there, Tatro. I think we need to do some end play. Need to sand that little disc down a little bit. Or change it out completely. Well,
Okay.
there's something about that disc I don't understand.
Okay, so this here is too thick.
We have a thinner, thicker, and thinner.
Well, it's not supposed to be plastic, it's supposed to be steel anyway. But okay, this is a 135, that's why there's no clearance, it's pretty tight. Usually they're more like 110, 15. So you need to get one that's a little bit thinner than that. I'm sure you got one in your box before, right?
Yeah, I got them laying around, doing nothing else, but ready to go back together. Here we go. Here we go.
Okay, I'm thinking maybe one down here. Ooh, a 110. Oh, there's a steel one.
Yep.
You want plastic?
No, steel works.
Okay.
Whatever works.
You want a cheap one or an S&S one?
Yeah.
S&S is gray and small, and Tucker Rocky is big and fat and not plated.
Well, give me the damn S&S.
You want the S? You want the hot rod part?
I mean, we've done everything else you can do to make this engine a new engine, which is pretty damn cool. I mean, this is a new engine, new bearings.
You got new bearings? You got
New
a
cam.
used shaft.
No, it's the original shaft.
Used.
No, original.
It's called
It's
used.
different. No, original.
Oh, okay. So there's no used parts at all. There's
No,
original parts.
Original parts.
Okay. Well, if you say so.
They're classic original parts.
Okay, that still moves. And see
Yeah.
now the cam actually rotates. See?
Oh, that's good.
See it rotating in there now?
Yep.
We still haven't put any bolts on this yet.
Wow. And you just beat it down to.
It appears somebody's got the breather in the wrong spot again. There we go.
When'd you do that?
I can rotate.
I bet we're gonna get some end play now. Oh,
Massive amounts of end play.
hang on.
Too
I didn't
much.
do that right.
We have lots of end play.
Is that lots okay?
Well, we can tighten it up pretty easily because we have other washers to use.
I know. How do I know? Oh, I made a mess.
Fred made a mess.
This is my cam box, but that's okay. That's okay. All right, here we go. Cam cover coming back off again.
How many times?
That's number 3.
I think it's 4.
Number 4.
Somebody put the cam box on the way back there. Okay, so how thick was that?
That was that thick.
That was the small one.
It was.
So we're going to move up to a 120. Ooh, we have some genuine Harley ones here. Ooh.
Hmm.
I have one S&S one though. I have a whole bunch of these import ones here.
Oh.
I'm using import one. You're too cheap this time. Oh, that's a 115. That's not even a 120 like it's supposed to be. Oh, that's because we have more options. I got a plastic one now. You want a plastic one?
No.
This appears to be a 120.
There we go again.
Is it going to work?
I think it will.
Too tight. Ooh, it still rotates.
End play. It rotates.
Much better.
And
Just like the cam.
all right.
Got a little bit of end play on there, see?
Yep.
See the end play for the cam? We have the end play for the breather.
Excellent.
And there's plenty of room there when this cover's tightened down, because right now we're not even tight. So if we lose 5 thou, we're still good.
Excellent.
Okay, so that took a 120, not a 135. So now you know. Oh, look at that.
Would you scratch my damn?
You got a big spot.
What the hell is that?
I don't know. It's permanent, isn't it? Oh,
No.
came out. Damn.
It's your fat fingers. Your finger.
It's my
your
fat finger did
your
it?
greasy ass fingers,
It's my
man.
greasy ass finger got that chrome.
Why are we taking that off now?
You want to leave it on? Okay, I don't care.
Let's just leave it like that for now,
Let me hit it one more time just to make sure.
because
Okay,
You know.
so you're happy with the beautification factor?
I'm thinking it's good.
You're thinking it's good.
Once I do a little bit of polishing here and a polishing there,
Okay, well,
little chromey here.
I'm going to go and find a couple fittings for here, so you can film this and watch it all you want.
No, I'm done.
Okay.
Good night. Sweet dreams. We're done for today. But we did get it together. How sweet it is. 1979.